All right, man, if you are someone over 40 and you want to know the #1 secret to building muscle and losing fat at the same time, then stick around, watch this video, and I will show you what that is. What's up, guys? Gary Walker here with liveanabolic.com, and I'm about to share the #1 secret for building muscle and losing fat at the same time if you are a man over 40. All right, you're gonna hear a lot of things out there. You'll probably hear that you can't do both, and you actually can. You're also gonna hear that once you've gotten to be 40 or older, then you've got to give up on building muscle or even getting lean or getting ripped. Well, that's false as well. All right, but there's one thing you really have to maximize if you are over 40 and you want to do both of those things, especially if you want to do them simultaneously. All right, what is it? It's optimizing your hormones. Yes, that is the key to everything, all right? Because you've got the natural declining testosterone levels, the growth hormone levels. You've got higher estrogen than you used to based on the foods that you're probably eating. Processed foods, all right? It's loaded with toxins and chemicals that are gonna produce more estrogens in your body. And here's the thing, the more estrogen a man has, the less testosterone you have, all right? And then there's cortisol from just the stressors of everyday life, especially when you do get older. So just know you maximize your hormones and you can do those other two things. You can start reversing the clock a little bit. You can start feeling younger, acting younger, and being more fit and healthy as well. All right, so the ways to do that, there's several different factors you want to factor into optimizing your hormones. First one has to be nutrition, all right? Get rid of all the processed foods, the sugars, the fast food. Start incorporating whole meals at home. Cook your food so you know what you're putting into your body, all right? Get good grass-fed beef and grass-fed butter, things that aren't loaded with hormones and toxins and chemicals, all right? Just make sure you're eating clean foods. So that's the start, whole foods at home. Also make sure you're getting nutrient-dense foods. So get some veggies, even fruits. People are afraid to eat fruits. Well, fruits are full of micronutrients. You obviously don't need them all of the time because they are sugars. However, you do want the micronutrients that fruits provide. So fruits and vegetables, complex carbs. That's another thing you want to make sure you're getting. All right. A lot of other micronutrients, vitamins, minerals that you're going to get in your complex carbs. Complex carbs are also going to help with your hormone levels, your recovery levels, your ability to repair and replenish. So very, very important. So make sure you're getting your complex carbs, good essential fats. Man, too many people are cutting out on the good essential fats. Here's the key. Essential fats, the saturated fats in egg yolks, grass-fed beef, grass-fed butter, oils, all right, olive oil, coconut oil. Those are things that are actually gonna help boost testosterone levels naturally. So you wanna make sure you're not staying away from those. So make sure you're incorporating those into your daily diet. But start doing those things, cleaning up the crap, replacing it with good foods, and that's gonna help you with optimizing your hormones, all right? But that's not all you need to do. The second step, and it's a very important step, is sleep and quality sleep, all right? Shoot for 7 to 9 hours of sleep at night. That, again, is when your body is going to release growth hormone. And it's not just about the growth hormone. You need that time to replenish and recover as well. So the goal with your sleep, though, has to be quality sleep. So turn off all the electronics. That's one of the biggest things I notice with guys now that we're older is you're on your phones right up until time to get into bed. All right. Shut that down at least an hour before. All right. Energy drinks, coffee, anything like that, cut that out at noon. All right. If you're drinking things like that in the late afternoon time, then you're not going to be able to get quality sleep once you get to bed. So go ahead, and it's okay to have some of that stuff. Just do it earlier in the day, but quality sleep. All right. So make sure you're getting that good sleep. That's going to help a lot as well. If you need help with the deep sleep, I will recommend a ZMA supplement. So zinc, magnesium, those are two of the minerals that our bodies are deficient in. By replenishing those with a nice quality supplement, that's gonna help you get into that good deep sleep. It's not gonna help you go to sleep. So that's the key. Hopefully you are doing the other things that are gonna get you into sleep. But once you get into sleep, it's gonna help you get into that deep REM sleep, which is where all those other benefits are gonna come from, all right? All right, the next way to optimize your hormones, make sure you're doing strength training and utilize compound lifts, all right? Wherever you're starting, I mean, there's a squat you can be doing. If you haven't worked out in a long time, do a body weight squat, all right? Or an air squat. Do a goblet squat to add resistance. So back squat, front squat. There's so many different variations, but make sure you're doing something that's working those larger muscles in your body. That's gonna help increase all the testosterone, growth hormone, all those valuable hormones as well, okay? And deadlifts, bench presses, shoulder presses, pull-ups if you can do them, or pull downs if you can't. But there's stuff you can do regardless of your starting point. But those are the type of exercises you want to implement into a 2 to 4 time a week program. So make sure you're doing those consistently. And if you're doing that with your nutrition and with your sleeping, you're gonna start feeling a lot better. And it's because of the hormones, all right? You're gonna start maximizing your full hormone potential, and you're gonna get optimized and start feeling tremendously better, all right? The last thing, last little tip I wanna share with you to help boost that is make sure you're doing some type of cardio, but here's the key. Not slow duration cardio, not the 45-minute walk, not the treadmill. That's all good for your heart health and stuff. But if you're focused on really getting those hormones up, then it's more anabolic cardio, metabolic training cardio, the things that are gonna be really high intensity. Short, quick workouts, all right? That's all it's gonna take. Even a 5-minute all-out metabolic conditioning workout is gonna help elevate your conditioning, one, increase your metabolism, and also increase your hormone profile. So just make sure you're doing the right type of cardio, and you're gonna get tremendous benefits. You're gonna optimize your hormones. And again, that is the #1 secret, the #1 tip to getting lean and muscular at the same time, especially for us older guys, man. You've got to focus on that hormone optimization. That's gonna make all the difference in the world with how you feel and with how you look. But also, let me just get this out there. If you want a program designed to do that, a program I designed specifically for older men, then make sure you click on the link in the description box and check out my Ripped After 40 program. My Ripped After 40 program combines the proper resistance training, strength training, a carb cycling nutrition plan designed to optimize your hormone levels. Also comes with anabolic cardio, everything that you need to get you fit, get you lean, get you healthy, all of those things that you need as an older man, all right? So check that out. You can also go and get a free Ripped After 40 workout. So we've got that in the link as well, and a link in the description box, if I can get it out. All right, we've got that in there for you as well, so make sure you check those out. Also, if you like this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up, share it with your buddies, share it with your family members, and if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, man, please subscribe to our channel. Other than that, guys, that's all I got. Get busy, get after it, and God bless.